Hi, in this video I will show you how long does it take to charge your iRobot Roomba on a charging station. Connect Roomba to the charging station. Normally you just press this button and the Roomba will automatically go to the charging station. And you can see if it's charging by this icon must be blinking in red. To see how long you need to charge, you need to open the iRobot app. And there you can see the state of the battery and if it's charging. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.